Hello, I am Lisa Young and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I wanted to do a little tutorial and show the newest digital download that I have. This one is called Tiny Adventures, and it goes with my Tiny Adventures class, and it's just little journals. And so you can make little journals, a little folio to hold your little ephemera to work in your journals, that kind of thing. It's just a fun class. But anyways, I wanted to get some more digitals to go with this because I wanted to work in my journal a little more. And so this is some little backgrounds that I thought would be really nice. I did them in two different sizes because I wanted maybe to see how the different sizes would work in the journal. So that's that. This, I wanted a picture of this so that I could cut some of the flowers out. I don't know, so I took a picture and added it. There's little bits of lace here, some of my vintage dominoes, an old photo, and an old ticket here. Here is some other vintagey papers, like this is vintage tapestry. I have this little dish, and I was taking pictures of it, and I liked the little cutouts of that. I thought it would be fun in the journal to use, so I added those, that lace, vintage botanicals, some vintage butterflies, and then I have this vintage paper in the background that I thought might be fun. So I'm going to cut these down, put them in my journal, in my ephemera folder, and use them in the journal. And so I'm just going to speed this up so you can watch me create with this. I hope you enjoy it. And again, this is all available at my shop, and I think it's 4 pages, and just a fun little it makes it an inexpensive way to add ephemera to your stash without spending the time or the money on it. So fairly inexpensive, but you can go to my website at Lisa Young Art and go to the shop in digitals, and this will be available.